And good afternoon, everyone. I'm
No copyright infringement today. This is on my mom's TV.
We do have a tornado warning on the south side of town for Elbert and Douglas County. So let's get right to live radar and show you what's going on out there. It's the storms down here on the south side of the metro that we're keeping a close eye on. It. We'll slide the radar.
No copyright infringement intended.
Watching here. These storms here to the east of the Castle Rock, Castle Pines area, out here near Elizabeth, heading into Elizabeth County. We had some reports of some funnel clouds down here, so the National Weather Service went ahead and put out for west central Elbert County tornado warning until 5:15. Again, no confirmation that a tornado is on the ground, but our radar is indicating some rotation. You're going to get hail out of these storms east of Castle Pines. There's a bigger one out east of Foxfield, just in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. And then the bigger ones that you see there down near Twin Cedars and down towards Deckers, those are storms that are building over the top of the foothills of Jefferson and Douglas County, will move out onto the plain. So you got to be careful with these storms. For the rest of the afternoon, we are expecting severe weather, especially from Metro Denver out onto I-25. So for right now, tornado warning is in place with these. I'm going to put the radar into motion here for you, just so you can kind of see the progression of these storms and watch as they come off the foothills and kind of explode onto the eastern plain. So we're watching that big one there on the right-hand side of your screen, and also the other one on the left-hand side of your screen. And lightning detection, lightning strikes are very high and very concentrated, especially from South Metro across Highlands Ranch down to Parker, Castle Pines, Castle Rock. So again, we do have this tornado warning out.
No copyright infringement intended to Fox.
It includes West Elbert counties there, just to the east.
Yeah, I'm going to do these sometimes.
Again, no confirmation it's on the ground. But 60-mile-an-hour winds certainly not out of the question with these storms. What you're looking at now, that yellow box, which encompasses the entire front range, that's a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock tonight, an indication of how long we're going to be dealing with these storms. And as we zoom in just a little closer here, again, the two storms that we are watching, get right down into it here. The two storms that we're watching, the one on the right in the magenta is for west central Elbert County. That's until 5:15. That's your tornado warning, and it's in and around Elizabeth. It's to the east of Castle Rock, and you may be seeing some funnel clouds. So seek shelter by going to a basement. You see the information on the bottom of your screen there. You can always visit us on kddr.com and kwgen.com. And then that other storm I was pointing out near Perry Park and Deckers, that one is a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:15. That one is containing 60-mile-an-hour winds and could have quarter-size hail with it. So two big storms developing on the south side of Metro Denver. As a matter of fact, we can just give you some perspective here. We'll tip this back just a little bit, and you can see the metro area here in the top center of your screen. So those are your current two warnings that we have. By the way, they are the only two warnings that we have. So for the south side of the metro, Douglas, Jefferson County, you're dealing with hail in and around Perry Park, Deckers, Twin Cedars. This will move towards Castle Pines and Castle Rock. And then, of course, as you look, we've got the tornado warning until 5:15. Again, no confirmation of a tornado with this storm, but it is this one right down here to the south of the Elizabeth area, to near the Kiowa area and Elbert, that's giving us a little bit of rotation. So if you're in Kiowa, if you're in Elbert, you definitely want to seek shelter as this.
I don't live there, so I don't live there, so we were okay. By the way, guys, it's nighttime. It's around 8 p.m., almost 9 p.m.
We will keep you updated.
But I'm just showing you guys, just in case you were curious.
Just a reminder, these thunderstorms that you see here are just now getting underway. You can see on live radar that they are developing and moving quickly off to the east, and there are your current warnings that we have. Again, if we get confirmation of anything on the ground, we'll break back in, but in the meantime, we will be back in just about 10 minutes with a complete look at all of today's severe weather and how long it'll last, coming up on Fox 31 Denver News right here at 5 o'clock. We'll get you back to regular programming. If you're